So as I said, basically in fire insurance there are two types of policies. One is called loss of stock policy and another is called loss of profit policy. Now first of all what is loss of stock policy? Now whenever such kind of fire, flood, earthquake or any such kind of mishap occurs in the business, the business basically loses the stock. If the stock is lost, obviously it affects the business. So in first policy, that is loss of stock policy, what is covered is basically the value of the stock which is lost because of fire. And in the second policy, that is loss of profit policy, because of such abnormal events, the business is affected, right? And the potential of the business to earn profit in the coming period is affected because of fire. So the business needs to be safeguarded against both the things, against the loss of stock as well as the loss of profit, the loss of opportunity to earn profit which otherwise would have been there if there was no fire, right? So for both the things, for both the losses, basically the businessman can take insurance cover. So the loss of stock, that is the value of the stock which is lost because of fire, that comes under loss of stock policy. Loss of profit policy covers basically the opportunity which is lost to earn profit in the coming period because of the destruction that has happened because of the fire. So loss of stock policy, businesses insure the stock against the loss due to fire, theft, flood, earthquake, etc. The amount of claim is restricted to the actual amount of the assets. So here we have to remember basically the the amount which can be claimed cannot be greater than the actual amount of assets or the stock which has been lost because of fire, theft, flood, earthquake, etc., etc. Now in loss of profit policy, because of the abnormal events as mentioned above, that is either fire, theft, flood, earthquake, etc., the loss of stock may affect the potential of the business to earn profits in future. Now businesses can take insurance for this loss of profit also. This is a consequential loss policy or loss of profit policy. This is the consequence of the fire and this is the consequence of the loss of stock or the loss of assets, because of which the profit in future is lost by the business, and that is what is covered in loss of profit policy.